Finding that dream engagement ring is a huge milestone. But if you've got sensitive skin, it's not just about choosing the one that sparkles the most. The metal your ring is made from matters just as much as the design. Ever felt that irritating itch, redness, or even a rash from jewelry? You're definitely not alone. Choosing a hypoallergenic engagement ring means you get both beauty and comfort in one piece. This guide will walk you through the top metals for sensitive skin, how to recognize truly hypoallergenic options, and what to look for when you're shopping locally. If you're already typing jewelry near me or exploring jewelry stores in Arcadia, you're exactly where you need to be. Why do some metals cause skin reactions? Let's start with the basics. Most allergic reactions to jewelry are caused by nickel. It is commonly found in lower quality or mixed metal jewelry and often leads to itching, redness, or other irritations. Copper and cobalt can also be problematic for some people. Even expensive rings may include trace metals that can trigger a reaction. That's why it's so important to shop at trusted jewelry stores that will tell you exactly what's in the piece you're buying. If you're unsure about your current jewelry, visit an Arcadia jewelry repair shop where professionals can help evaluate the materials and suggest better alternatives. Best hypoallergenic metals for engagement rings. Platinum is a favorite for a reason. It's strong, naturally hypoallergenic, and known for its bright white finish. Because it's nearly pure, it contains very few other metals that might cause skin reactions. You can find stunning platinum rings at many reputable jewelry stores in Arcadia. Palladium, similar to platinum, palladium is part of the same metal family. It's lighter in weight and often more budget-friendly. Palladium is another hypoallergenic winner and a great alternative if platinum is outside your budget. Ask your nearest jewelry shop if they offer engagement rings in palladium. Titanium is strong, lightweight, and completely nickel-free. It's a popular choice for modern styles and people with skin sensitivities. Whether you're looking at jewelry stores or searching jewelry near me, be sure to ask about titanium settings. Niobium, not as widely known but still worth mentioning. Niobium is another hypoallergenic metal that is resistant to corrosion. It is ideal for people who react to almost everything else. A growing number of local shops are beginning to offer niobium as a hypoallergenic option. 18K, gold by itself is hypoallergenic, but it's often alloyed with other metals to make it more durable. Higher carat gold, like 18K, contains more pure gold and is less likely to irritate your skin. If you're shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia, make sure to ask what metals are mixed into their gold rings. Metals to avoid. If you have sensitive skin, avoid the usual suspects. Nickel brass. Bronze low-quality white gold alloys that contain nickel. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to visit a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop. They can help you understand what metals are safe and which ones to steer clear of. Customize your ring for comfort and style. One of the biggest perks of working with local jewelers is the option to create a custom ring. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia offer consultations where you can choose the exact metal, style, and stone. This means you can build a ring that not only looks stunning, but is safe for your skin too. By customizing your ring, you also avoid the generic feel of mass-produced pieces. You'll get a ring that fits your lifestyle, personal style, and skin type. Look for jewelers who are familiar with hypoallergenic materials and can walk you through the entire process. How to shop for hypoallergenic jewelry. Locally, shopping in person gives you the chance to ask questions and feel the difference between various metals. When searching for jewelry near me or nearest jewelry, check out local stores known for their quality and personal service. The Arcadia and San Gabriel Valley area is home to some fantastic jewelry stores that take metal purity seriously. These local shops are also great resources if you ever need resizing or maintenance. Just type in Arcadia Jewelry Repair or Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop, and you'll find professionals ready to help. How to care for your hypoallergenic ring. Even the best metals need some maintenance. Here's how to keep your engagement ring in top shape. Remove it before using harsh chemicals or cleaning products. Store it in a soft pouch or jewelry box when not in use. Clean it gently with mild soap and water. Schedule regular checkups with a local jeweler. If you notice any irritation or signs of wear, visit a nearby jewelry repair shop. They can check for damage and ensure your ring is still safe and comfortable to wear. Why Dorano jewelry should be your first stop. If you are searching for an engagement ring that is both stylish and safe for sensitive skin, Dorano jewelry in Arcadia is the place to go. With a reputation built on craftsmanship, honesty, and stellar customer service, we are the local experts in hypoallergenic engagement rings. Dorano Jewelry carries a wide range of rings made from platinum, palladium, 18K gold, and other skin-friendly materials. Whether you want a ready-to-wear design or something completely custom, our team will work with you to create your perfect ring. We also offer full services including repairs, cleaning, and resizing. If you are dealing with skin sensitivity or just want peace of mind, the experts at Dorano Jewelry will help you make a confident and informed choice. Next time you find yourself searching for jewelry near me, jewelry in Arcadia, or Arcadia Jewelry Repair, remember Dorano Jewelry. With years of experience and a passion for helping customers, we are the trusted name in both quality and care throughout Arcadia and the San Gabriel Valley.